Hi, my name is G.ROHITH. I have graduated from Vidyayuth Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. After my graduation, I have joined Jspiders in the course Java Full Stack Development. Through this, I have gained a lot of knowledge. My trainers, Vivek sir, Kaushik sir, have taught me Java well, and SQL by Afro sir, B.TECH by Ningaraj sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir helped me to do some projects and gain some knowledge through it. And I have attended grooming sessions before attending to a company, and I have given mock interviews after the course completion. Finally, I have cracked